Hello and welcome to another IC Monitor tutorial. Today we're going to talk about licensing. We're going to start with the IC Monitor license model. We're then going to introduce the different types of licenses that you can acquire and show you how to activate a license. The IC Monitor is licensed in major versions, and major versions are released once per year. If you own a major version, you're eligible to receive all the updates that are released under it, meaning that if you own, for example, major version 6, you're then eligible to download and use version 6.1, 6.7, 6.12, whatever comes out under the main version tag. Versions are owned in perpetuity, so there's no need to upgrade if the new features released with new versions are not useful to you. And there's no need to follow the version's update path, meaning you can skip major versions if you don't need them. So if you own version 4 and version 5 and 6 didn't bring any features that were useful to you, you can then jump straight ahead to version 7 if you want. There are, of course, multiple ways to acquire an IC Monitor license. The simplest one being just downloading and installing the IC Monitor, which will get you the free license. With the free license, you can analyze the TCP IP stack and the Circus bus, and you can get a feeling for how the graphical user interface works. If you acquire the professional license, you'll get an analysis function for a protocol of your choosing, like OPC UA or EtherCAT, and you can use the IC Monitor in a console application. Acquiring the Ultimate license will get you all the features the IC Monitor provides, including all protocols it currently supports. You can use scripts with the IC Monitor or control it through an API or a web interface. Contact us for package deals if you want to acquire multiple single PC licenses or if you need to license the IC Monitor throughout your company network. Once you've chosen and acquired your license, it needs to, of course, be activated in the IC Monitor. For this, I already opened the IC Monitor in the free version, as you can see. We'll navigate to the Help tab, click on License, and we'll be greeted with this Monitor License Information screen. Now, for us to activate your license and generate your actual license key, we need the hardware identifier that is shown in this installation ID window. You can either copy that and send it to us via email manually. You can find contact information on icmonitor.com. Or if you have an email program installed on your computer, just click the request button and it will open it with a pre-written email for you. Now, once we have a key, we'll need to paste it into the IC Monitor license.txt. We can open the file directly here, grab our key, and paste it into the file. Now we'll just save this and restart the IC Monitor, and our licenses should be active. Let's see if that worked. Now, while the monitor is starting, you can also see in the splash screen which type of license you have active. And after the start, you will see your license displayed on the top here. Now let's navigate to Help once again and to License. And as we can see, there's all the features that we have licensed. You can also see which major versions you have licenses for. In this case, we have a license for version 4, 5, and 6. And if you expand here, you'll see all the features that you have licensed with this version. That concludes the tutorial on licensing. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, and I'll see you again in the next tutorial video.